Hey guys, and welcome back to new on this channel. I'm Sabi from Code Revolution. So today I will be showing a new update for Aimogen. In the latest period I was a bit sick and was not able to create videos, but let me show you this update because I resumed work schedule. So recently the OpenAI API was opened for AI generated images, and Aimogen is able to now import also AI generated images from OpenAI. So let me show you this update in action right now. So in Aimogen you will have multiple features added in its latest version. We will have the Aimogen image, which generates AI generated images. And also here in the rule settings, you had this maximum number of related images to add to the content. So this will be able to define also AI generated images, which will be added to the content. So if you set here, for example, 1, scroll down and check the replace royalty free image with AI generated image. Then the plugin will replace these images with AI generated images. So until now these were only royalty free images from Pexels, Pixabay and so on. But starting from now you will be able to use also AI generated images in the post content. So the prompt that will be sent to OpenAI for the image generator is this: a high detail photograph of post title. You can change here into something else, like a drawing, like pixel art, like a game photograph or anything else. This is the size of the generated image. You can resize the generated image from here. AI generated image resize width and height. So this is the final size of the image, while this is the generated size of the image from the OpenAI's image generator. Okay, so now let me create an example post. How to cook the best ravioli in the world. Okay, so this is just a random article idea. So keep in mind I set one image and enable this. The front end of my site is empty, and now let's run importing. So importing can take a bit longer if we generate AI created images. Also we automatically resize them to this size if we set here to copy also images locally to our server. And after the green check mark appeared, here it is. So it is really good quality image. As best ravioli in the world, it's actually ravioli here, and it is during cooking. And this is the AI generated article here. Pretty decent and actually high quality content. Okay, now let me show you how to use the Aimogen image shortcode. This is a shortcode which will be able to add AI generated images to existing posts from your site. So let's take this post that we generated and let's add here to the end Aimogen image. And the Aimogen image will have some parameters: the seed expression and image size and static content. The seed expression can be used to send the seed to the OpenAI's image creator to tell it from what should it create images. So what should be the text based on which it should create the image, the size of the image, and static content on. This will replace the shortcode with the image and not make the shortcode be rendered each time it's displayed in the post. So ravioli in a large bowl. Okay, and we will be able to hopefully update this post soon. And we can update it. And updating might take a bit longer now because actually the shortcode is rendering here in Gutenberg. And when we will go and see the front end of the page, the image will be ready for us. So we can here it is. This is the image generated by the shortcode. So ravioli in a large bowl. Here it is. This is the image generated by this shortcode. You will have also, if we go to exit code editor and browse all, you will have this Gutenberg block for the Aimogen image. You can add your seed expression and select the image size. Also, the plugin in its latest update, here in the AI content editor part, is able also to add royalty-free, to add AI generated images to the published post. So AI generated featured image options, you can set here to set automatically featured images from the AI generator and set them to posts. Okay, so this is all for today. It is a bit hard for me to speak because I was ill recently. Because of this, I finished this video now, and yeah, if you have ideas, suggestions, let me know in the comments of this video. And thanks for watching. There will be more videos coming soon. I will leave the Aimogen link in this video's description. Have a nice day. Bye bye.